cow. Alright guys, how's it going? James with Duke Vending back with another video, and today's a pretty big one for us. We're actually going to run our entire route, every machine, collect, and see how much we make in a month. We're at the first location. It is the Quick Lube. Let's go ahead and get in there and see how it did. Alright, so we're here. Not too shabby for this one. Actually, 1, 2, 3 things are empty. Go ahead, open it up, see how it did. First location, not too bad. We're gonna go ahead and get it filled up and we'll see you at the second location.
All right, we got it all stocked up. Got everything nice and filled. Now we're gonna be on to our next location.
All right, so we're here at our second location, concrete location. Let's go ahead, see how it did. Get this one all filled up. Still waiting on the light to come in. We're on to the third location.
All right guys, so we're at our third location, another concrete plant. Let's get inside and see how it did. All right, looks like we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 empty.
Check the coat machine, see how she did. Check it. Coat machine looks pretty good. Let's go ahead and see how she did. Not too shabby.
All right, we got it all stocked up.
All right, so we're here at our next location. Everything looks pretty good stocked. I'm gonna go ahead and open her up and see how they did. Alright, gonna check the coat machine. Let's check it real quick. Coats look a little low. Mountain Dew. Alright, so we're here at our fifth location. One more and then we're done for the day. So we're gonna go ahead and check it out and see how we did.
Looks like it sold out on a few.
Yeah, and I think this one we actually checked up with quite a bit, but it still has 4 that are sold out and a couple that have just a few left.
Alright, let's see.
Holy cow.
Oh my God.
Dang.
Look at there.
Wow.
Let's check the quarters.
Comment below how much money you think's right there. Looks like Coke's is almost sold out. Dr. Pepper is low. Pepsi is low. Sunkist, Sprite, and Gatorade over there. All right, let's see how she did. Again, this is our month clean out video, so it's been a month. Not too bad.
Alright, we got it all stocked. On to our last location.
Alright guys, so we're actually here at the last location of the day. It's been an awesome day and we're so excited to actually count up and see exactly how much money it is that we made. It's like we have 1, 2, 3, 4, bunch of things that only have 1 or so left. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it up and see how she did. Again, it has been a month since we've checked all of our locations today that we did on video.
Not too bad.
Alright, so we got everything filled up in here. We're actually still waiting on 2 of the air fresheners to come in from our vendor. As soon as we get them, we'll get them put in. We're gonna go ahead and do what we've all been waiting for. We're gonna count the money. Every single machine, every location, how much we made for a whole month. What is it? Can you say hi? Hi. Alright, what are we doing? Counting monies. So it's time for what we've all been waiting for. We got all the money right here. Spread it out, and it's incredible. So all this sack full of change, making a mess. My daughter's playing with it. We're gonna go ahead and put it in the bill counter. We're gonna see exactly how much we got, and then we'll count the change and let you know exactly how much we made.
In cash, we got $764. That's not even including the coins that we got to count and the credit card readers. Wonder how much the grand total is gonna be. All right, guys, so remember we had $764 in cash.
We had $118 in coins.
And with the credit card readers, we made $54.75. So
in total,
that's $936.75 in just 1 month. Thanks for checking out this episode of Duke Vending. Make sure you like and subscribe.